In our country, mail is delivered by two different postmen. They deliver mail every other day. Sometimes it's twice a week, and sometimes 3 times a week. When there are holidays during the week, the schedule is shifted. So it's a big mess. I built this indicator that shows if someone has opened my mailbox. If the mailbox has been opened, a light in the kitchen comes on. The light is in the kitchen window, so that I can see, when I get home, if there is mail to collect in the mailbox. In the mailbox, there is a control unit to which I have connected 2 switches, one from each door in the mailbox. The switches are connected in parallel. If a door is opened, the control unit sends a signal to the receiver, and the light in the kitchen comes on. The indicator is built from a NEXA wireless switch. The mailbox is made of metal, and therefore an external antenna must be used to get the signal out. The antenna is stuck out through a hole in the bottom of the mailbox. Resetting a triggered indication is done with an additional control unit located in the kitchen.